Selecting the ideal Linux distribution for daily use is a crucial decision that significantly influences your overall computer experience. With a diverse array of options available, each tailored to different preferences and needs, finding the best fit requires careful consideration. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore 4 top Linux distributions known for their reliability, user-friendliness, and versatility in everyday tasks: Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Fedora, and OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. And now, let's get it started. First of all, let's check the candidates. Ubuntu. As one of the most popular and user-friendly Linux distributions, Ubuntu has earned its reputation for stability and extensive community support. Ideal for users transitioning from other operating systems, Ubuntu provides a welcoming environment through its intuitive interface. The Ubuntu Software Center simplifies software installation, offering a vast repository of applications for users to explore and easy install. The LTS versions of Ubuntu come with a total of 12 years of long-term maintenance. Linux Mint. Built upon Ubuntu, Linux Mint is renowned for its elegance and out-of-the-box usability. With a desktop environment that caters to users who appreciate a traditional layout akin to Windows, Linux Mint excels in providing a seamless transition for those new to Linux. Beyond its user-friendly interface, Linux Mint is recognized for robust multimedia support, enhancing a daily entertainment and productivity experience for users. The regular Linux Mint edition is based on Ubuntu. Alternatively, there is an edition that is based on Debian. This is called LMDE, that stands for Linux Mint Debian Edition, and this is technically on par with the regular Ubuntu-based edition. Fedora. For users who seek a distribution embracing cutting-edge technologies, Fedora stands out as an excellent choice. Popular among developers and enthusiasts, Fedora features the GNOME desktop environment, providing a polished and modern aesthetic. The commitment to adopting the latest software advancements makes Fedora suitable for those who want access to the most recent features while ensuring system stability. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed represents a rolling release distribution that combines stability with up-to-date software. Offering a unique combination of reliability and freshness, Tumbleweed provides users with the latest software updates continuously. The YAS, that stands for Yet Another Setup Tool, configuration tool, simplifies system management, making OpenSUSE Tumbleweed an attractive option for both beginners and experienced users. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's delve deeper into the individual characteristics, strengths, and considerations for each Linux distribution to help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs. Ubuntu. Ubuntu, with its roots in Debian, has become a flagship distribution for both new and experienced users. The Ubuntu community plays a pivotal role in providing support and assistance, making it a welcoming environment for those transitioning from other operating systems. There is 5 years of LTS and additionally 7 years of ESM support with an Ubuntu Pro subscription. ESM stands for Extended Security Maintenance. Ubuntu's GNOME desktop environment offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The launcher and dash provide easy access to applications, and the Software Center streamlines the installation of new software. Ubuntu's commitment to stability is evident for its long-term support releases. These versions receive updates and security patches for an extended period, making them ideal for users who prioritize a stable environment over latest features. The Ubuntu Software Center boasts a vast repository of applications, ensuring users have access to a wide range of software for various needs. The ease of software installation contributes to a seamless user experience. The Ubuntu community is one of the largest and most active in the Linux ecosystem. Users can find support through forums, documentation, and community-contributed resources, making problem-solving and learning more accessible. Linux Mint. Derived from Ubuntu, Linux Mint focuses on providing a polished and user-friendly experience. It has gained a dedicated user base for its aesthetic appeal and attention to detail. Linux Mint features a Cinnamon desktop environment, a fork of GNOME that emphasizes simplicity and familiarity. Users who appreciate a traditional layout similar to Windows find Linux Mint's desktop environment welcoming. Linux Mint excels in multimedia support, ensuring users can seamlessly enjoy music, videos, and other multimedia content. Codexes and plugins for various media formats can be installed during installation, reducing the need for additional configurations. The Update Manager in Linux Mint allows users to control the update process based on their preferences. This provides a balance between staying up to date with security patches and avoiding potential disruptions to the system. Unlike Ubuntu, Linux Mint only offers 5 years of LTS support. There is no ESM support like in Ubuntu. LMDE, the Debian-based edition, comes with 2 to 3 years of support. Although the Debian base will be supported for longer, the Cinnamon environment and all Linux Mint tools will no longer be supported. After support ends, you generally have to switch to a successor version. This applies equally to LMDE and Linux Mint. The Linux Mint team actively engages with its user community to gather feedback and address issues. This user-focused approach has contributed to the distribution's popularity and continuous improvement. Fedora. Fedora, sponsored by Red Hat, is known for its commitment to adopting cutting-edge technologies and providing a platform for software innovation. Fedora defaults to the GNOME desktop environment, offering a clean and modern user interface. The GNOME Software Center simplifies the installation of applications, and the overall design prioritizes simplicity and usability. Fedora embraces a semi-rolled release model, ensuring users have access to the latest software updates and Linux kernels continuously. This makes it an appealing choice for developers and enthusiasts who want to experience new features and improvements as soon as they are available. With its focus on innovation, Fedora is considered a developer-friendly distribution. It provides a platform for testing and contributing to the latest software advancements, making it a preference choice for developers. Fedora has an active community that actively contributes to its development. The Fedora project encourages community participations, and users can engage in discussions, contribute to documentation, and report issues through various channels. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed stands out as a rolling release distribution that balances stability with the continuous availability of the latest software updates. As a rolling release distribution, OpenSUSE Tumbleweed provides users with a constantly updated system. This model ensures access to the latest features and improvements without the need of version upgrades. OpenSUSE's unique YAST simplifies system configuration and management. It offers a centralized interface for tasks such as software installation, services, hardware configuration, and system settings. Tumbleweed aims to provide a stable base while delivering the latest software. This combination appeals to users who seek the balance between reliability and access to cutting-edge features. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed allows users to choose from various desktop environments such as KDE Plasma and GNOME. The flexibility accommodates different user preferences, ensuring a personalized computing experience. In conclusion, the choice of the best Linux distribution for daily use depends on individual preferences, requirements, and familiarity with the Linux ecosystem. Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Fedora, and OpenSUSE Tumbleweed each offer unique features and strengths, catering to a diverse range of users. Ubuntu stands out for its user-friendly interface, extensive software repository, and strong community support. The LTS releases provide a stable foundation for users who prioritize reliability. Linux Mint, building either upon Ubuntu or Debian, enhances the user experience with the Cinnamon desktop environment and robust multimedia support. Its focus on aesthetics and community engagement makes it an excellent choice for those seeking a polished and user-friendly environment and, in general, a great Linux desktop experience. Fedora appeals to enthusiasts and developers with its adoption of cutting-edge technologies and a mix of rolling release model and point release model. The GNOME desktop environment, coupled with a commitment to the latest software releases, positions Fedora as a forward-thinking distribution. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed strikes a balance between stability and freshness through its rolling release model. The YAS configuration tool simplifies system management, and users can choose from various desktop environments, providing flexibility in customization. Ultimately, users are encouraged to experiment with different distributions and virtual machines or as dual boot options to find the perfect Linux distribution that aligns with their specific needs and preferences. The Linux community's diversity ensures that there is a distribution tailored to every user, whether they prioritize stability, user-friendliness, cutting-edge features, or a combination of these factors. By exploring the strength of Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Fedora, and OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, users can make informed decisions to enhance their daily computing experience in the Linux ecosystem. And if you want to know specifically, I would recommend Linux Mint or Ubuntu, as well as for newbies as for experienced users who seek for a system that simply runs. No more, no less. If you liked this video, then I would be happy to receive a free channel subscription, thumbs up, and with the bell activated, you will always receive information immediately when I publish a new video. If you would like to support the project, you can do so, for example, through a YouTube membership, but also via Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. With a YouTube membership, you get early access to my videos as a bonus, namely immediately after upload. Your donations really help my project, and I thank you in advance. I would like to thank you for your kind attention and wish you a pleasant day, ladies and gentlemen. See you soon. Peace.